become an affiliate. This is your dashboard. Now right here you can see your statistics, everything, and you can track your progress. Okay, so to get your link to start promoting SabiMentors, all you have to do is to click on affiliate URLs. Okay, go to affiliate URLs, then you can copy your link here. This is your referral link, this is your unique referral link. Okay, this is your unique referral link. Now copy the link. Once you send it to anybody, okay, if you send it to anybody and they use this link, once they click on this link, okay, now they can sign up on SabiMentors. Okay, once they create an account, they will become your referrals. Okay, they will become your referrals, and if they buy a course anytime within 377 days, you will get paid. All right, you will get paid for all their purchases. All right, now that is for direct linking. Okay, so let's assume now you don't want to direct link, you want to just link to a particular course on the platform. Okay, what you need to do now is to go to our courses page. Let's say go to our courses page. All right, go to our courses page. So let's assume you like this become a copywriting ninja in just 30 days course. So click on it. Okay, click on it. Now once you click on that course, what you have to do now is to copy the link of the course. Copy the entire link. Okay, copy the entire link, then go to your affiliate dashboard. Look at this place, referral URL generator. Copy and paste the link here. Okay, you have pasted the link here. Now that is the link to the course now. Okay, then you can give it a name. For instance, you want to track where these referrals are coming from. You can say, for instance, you can say, let's say you want to promote this link on WhatsApp. You can say WhatsApp. Okay, then come down and copy the link. Okay, once you copy this link, anybody you give this link, they will come to this course directly, and once they purchase that course, you will get paid 30% commission straight up. Okay, that's just it. Now let me show you in practical. So let's say let's say you give someone the link now and they click. Okay, as you can see, this link has some details. Let me show you. As you can see, the link of the course, then your affiliate ID or your username is here, then the campaign is WhatsApp. This one is for advanced digital marketers. Okay, so this campaign is just for you to know where you are getting traffic from. For instance, you are getting traffic, you are promoting this link on WhatsApp, you have to be able to track where the link or where the traffic is coming from. Okay, that is how you should do your online campaigns. Always track things. Okay, now once anybody buys this course using that link, you will get paid. Okay, and the sweet thing is that if they go ahead to use that same account to buy other courses on the platform, you will still get paid, so long they use your account, they use your link to create an account from the very first instance. That is just how it works. Okay, so now what else can I show you? Now this link might be too long for you. You might be wondering, this link is too long for me, how do I shorten the link? So let me show you something I use. Go to bit.ly to shorten your link. Okay, so create an account on bit.ly. all right, create an account on bit.ly. I don't have to show you that. Just create an account on bit.ly, then paste, then click on create, then paste your long link here. Okay, and you can also give it some, as you can see, you can also track here. All right, let's just leave that. So click on create. click on create. Okay, now you have created the link. So let's say copy, let's just give it copywriting course SabiMentors. That's the title. Then you can come here and customize it. You can say master copywriting. Okay, now let's assume, let me see if this URL slogan is available. Click on save. As you can see, it has been taken. So let's just say, you can give it anything you want to give it. You can name it anything. So let's just say, okay, it has been taken. Master copywriting, let's say 002, or let's just, I think that's too long. Let's just say master copywriter course. Okay, for instance. Okay, click on save. As you can see, this link, that long link now is now this link. So copy. So if you give anybody this link, once they click on this link and buy the course, you will still get paid. Okay, if you think this link is too long, let's just say master copywriting course MCC SabiMentors. You can do it that way, MCC SabiMentors. So save. Okay, then copy. Now we have changed that link now. So this is the link you should promote on anywhere: Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram, anywhere you have people. Okay, now if we paste this link here, you see it will still go to that course. So as you can see, so once anybody buys the course, because I'm already logged in now and I'm already taking this course, once anybody buys the course, you will get paid. All right, that's how it works. So it's easy. So now let me show you something else. Let me show you something else. Okay, this is your dashboard. You can see everything is 0 now. Let me go to my own dashboard. Let me show you. So you can see this is my own dashboard. Now you see referrals. You see them. You see unpaid, pending. Once anybody buys a course and the purchase was successful, you will see it to say unpaid. So we pay you regularly. I think for now twice a week and twice a month. Okay, twice a month. All right. So now then you can track your statistics here. You can track your statistics here. Okay, you can see. Then for instance, you want to see your lifetime customers, you can also come here and see your lifetime customers. All right, these are the lifetime customers. Right, then let's say referrals. Basically where you track everything. Okay, so that's just it. You can see this one is direct referrals, this one is indirect level 2. All right, that is people that your referrals brought. Okay, that's just it. You can track everything here. Okay, so I hope this video was helpful enough. If you have any question, feel free to use the contact us button or this WhatsApp button on the website. All right, happy promotion, and I can't wait to see you smashing your goals. Peace out, guys.